everyone, welcome to the channel.
This is Casual Talk English, where you learn English through real-life conversations.
In today's video, we're talking about paying the bill at a restaurant.
You'll learn simple English you can use in real restaurants.
So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get started.
Hey, Kylie. Good morning. Smiles, takes a deep breath. How are you today?
Hey, Jordan. I'm good. I'm a little sleepy, but good. Laugh softly. How about you?
Yeah, same. I woke up early today. I made coffee, but I think I need one more cup.
Oh, I understand that feeling. Coffee is my best friend in the morning. Smiles. By the way, for everyone watching, my name is Kylie.
And I'm Jordan. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yes, thank you for watching. We're just two friends from the US talking in simple, everyday English.
Slow English. Easy English. English you can use in real life.
Exactly. And today, we're talking about something very common, something everyone does.
Eating at a restaurant.
And more specifically, paying the bill at a restaurant.
Yes, that piece of paper that decides your future.
Exactly. So today, let's talk about that moment, how it works in the US, what people say, what people feel.
And how you can do it in English in a calm and natural way.
Okay, so imagine this. You're sitting at a restaurant, you finish your food, your plate is empty,
You're full, you're happy, maybe a little tired.
and you want to leave. So what do you do?
First, you usually wait for the server. The server is the person who brings your food.
In the US, the server often comes by and asks, "Can I get you anything else?"
Or, would you like dessert?
And if you don't want anything else, you can say something very simple.
You can say, "Can we get the bill, please?" Or, "Could I have the check, please?"
Both are very common, very polite.
You don't need big words. Simple is good.
Simple is best. I remember one time, I was sitting at a restaurant for a long time
Why?
because I was shy. I didn't want to ask for the bill.
Really?
Yes, I just sat there. I looked at my phone, I drank water.
So what happened?
The server finally came and said, "Are you okay?"
Oh, no.
And I said, "Yes, sorry. Can I get the check?"
That happens to a lot of people, even native speakers.
Yes, so don't worry if you feel shy.
Okay, so the server brings the bill.
Usually in a small folder or on a small plate.
You open it, you look inside.
And you see the total price.
Sometimes you say, "Wow."
Yes, sometimes it's more than you expected.
In the US, prices at restaurants do not include tax.
That's important. So the number on the menu is not the final number.
When you get the bill, you'll see tax added.
And then the tip.
Scene 3. Talking about tips.
Tips are very important in the US.
Yes, servers usually get paid very little money,
So customers give tips.
usually 15 to 20%.
Some people tip more, some tip less.
But tipping zero is not polite unless something very bad happened. I remember when I was young, I didn't understand tipping.
Me too.
I went out with my dad. He looked at the bill very carefully.
And you were watching?
Yes, I asked, "Why are you adding more money?"
That's cute.
He said, "This is for the server."
That's how we learn. So now it's time to pay.
There are a few ways to pay.
You can pay with cash
You can pay with a credit card.
or a debit card.
In the US, credit cards are very common.
Let's do a short example.
Okay.
Customer. Excuse me, can I pay with a card?
Server. Sure, I'll be right back.
Simple. Easy.
Very natural.
What happens next? The server takes your card.
They walk away.
They come back with a receipt.
You sign your name.
And you write the tip amount.
Now, this is a big topic. Splitting the bill.
Yes, very common with friends.
Let's say you and I eat together.
And we both ordered food.
When the bill comes, one of us might say,
Do you want to split it?
or, should we split the bill?
That means each person pays part.
Usually, I like splitting the bill.
Me too. It feels fair.
But sometimes, someone wants to pay for everyone.
Yes, especially parents or someone older. If someone says, I'll pay, you can say,
Are you sure?
or, Thank you, that's very kind.
Even if you accept, it's polite to say thank you.
Okay, let's talk about dates.
Ah, yes, the most uncomfortable bill moment.
In the US, there's no single rule.
Sometimes the person who invites pays.
Sometimes people split.
Sometimes one person offers and the other accepts.
I once went on a date.
Uh-oh.
When the bill came, we both reached for it.
At the same time?
Yes, our hands touched.
Like a movie.
We laughed, and then we split the bill.
That actually sounds nice.
Sometimes there's a problem with the bill.
Maybe something is wrong.
Maybe you were charged for food you didn't order.
In that case, stay calm.
You can say, Excuse me, I think there's a mistake.
Or, I didn't order this.
Be polite. Servers are human.
Paying the bill can bring many feelings.
Happy because you had a good meal.
Or stressed because money is tight.
Or grateful because someone paid for you.
All feelings are normal.
So, to sum it up,
Paying the bill at a restaurant is not just about money.
it's about communication
Politeness.
and culture.
You don't need perfect English.
Simple words are enough.
A smile helps.
And saying thank you goes a long way.
Well, Kylie, now I'm hungry again.
Me too. Talking about food always does that.
Maybe we should go eat and
Practice paying the bill.
sounds like a plan.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped you.
See you next time.
Bye. Both smile and wave as the scene ends.